let's conjugate to command. If you want to command your daughter, ሽጭ ትላታለህ for female. አንቺ ሽጭ ሴል ማለት ነው። it is a command. ትዕዛዝ ማዘዝ ስትፈልግ when you want to command someone you say ሽጭ for እኔ ምን ትላለህ ለእኔ let me sell
ልሽጥ
ልሽጥ እኛ
ልሽጥ
እንሽጥ አንተ ሽጥ ኮማንድ ነው።
ኢምፔራቲቭ
ኢምፔራቲቭ it is imperative። እሺ እናንተ
እንሽጥ
ሽጡ እነሱ ይሽጡ let them sell ይሽጡ let him sell ለማለት ይሽጥ let him sell ይሽጥ እሺ ለሴት ምን ይሆናል?
ትሽጥ
ይህም ብዙ ጊዜ አንጠቀመውም ግን for the sake of the grammar we conjugate it። ለምሳሌ ግን አንተ when you want to buy something from someone you can say ሽጥልኝ means sell it to me. alright when you argue about the price you say ሽጥልኝ sell it to me ማለት ነው። አንተ ሽጥልኝ ለወንድ ከሆነ ለሴት ከሆነ ምን ትላለህ? ሽጪልኝ only need to change ጭ ሽጭልኝ። ለብዙ ከሆነ ደግሞ ሽጡልኝ ጥን ወደ ጡ ትቀይራታል። ሽጡልኝ ለምሳሌ 100 ብር ሽጥልኝ 100 ብር ሽጥልኝ 100 ብር ሽጭልኝ 100 ብር ሽጡልኝ let me buy it with for 100 ብር ለማለት ነው። ሽጥልኝ ሽጭልኝ ሽጡልኝ she is constant only ጥና ጭጨ ናቸው different የሆነው ልኝ indicators for me sell it to me እሷ ትሽጥ እሱ ይሽጥ እነሱ ይሽጡ በቃ ያላቸውን ንብረት ይሽጡ እና ዕዳዬን ይክፈሉኝ ለማለት ነው። ብሬን ያምጡ። ለምሳሌ when you want to accuse some people you can say ይሽጡና ይስጡኝ let them sell their property and give my money። ወደ ኮማንድ ስትቀይር መግዛት የሚለውን ቃል አሁን አንተ ቀይር። እሺ አሁን ይሄ ልምምድ ነው። ልምምድ ምንድን ነው? ፕራክቲስ መግዛት የሚለውን ቃል መግዛት ቀይር። አሁን ወደ ትዕዛዝ ቀይር። አሁን ልሽጥ ብለናል አይደል? in place of ልሽጥ change ልግዛ። እሺ እኛ ምን እንላለን? እንግዛ ገብቶሃል? እሺ አንተ ግዛ አንቺ ግዢ እናንተ ግዙ እነሱ ይግዙ እሱ ይግዛ እሷ ትግዛ አይዞህ በጣም ቀላል ነው። ቀላል ነው ብቻ you need to read it once again one more time.
I need to repeat all the time.
Practice makes perfect. If you don't practice it will be difficult.
So is it possible to learn only to these verbs and then apply for others? I mean, is it universal if I use it the same structure to other verbs?
I'm not sure because
that's the problem. And do you think it's simple? Do you still think it's simple?
It is simple, even if it looks a little bit overwhelming. you will adapt it over time. We can check that whether they are consistent or not by making another verb. ለምሳሌ
you know, I
Mm.
learned whole conjugation, full conjugation of Spanish language in 3 days.
Mhm.
Full conjugation. You can imagine the past, future, continuous, everything in only 3 days. Spanish system is super color. It's not simple
Amharic
enough.
is a Semitic language and it is a little bit complicated.
It has a lot of different exceptions.
Yeah,
So it's like changing all the time. So it's you never expect. You think that you know the system and the system is not correct. I mean,
በነገራችን ላይ Semitic language, I think it takes so much time to learn the grammar part.
yes, that's true. That's amazing. That's the beauty of language.
And as a language student, you don't need to give up, all right? You must master this language.
Mokralo.
And now you have to also study Arabic, all right? Arabic helps you.
It's very difficult. I mean, if I
point.
learn Amharic, I will stop because it's impossible to learn. It takes a lot of time.
But it is connected with your life also. As a Muslim, Arabic is connected with your life because you need to read Quran every day.
You know, I can learn prayers, and that will be enough for me.
እሺ አሁን ይኸውልህ ምንድን ነው let us conjugate another word to understand that whether this rule consistent or not. ለምሳሌ መናገር what does መናገር mean?
Talk.
To talk, to speak. እሺ how do you say let me speak in Amharic?
መናገር
is consistent.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. መናገር Lenage.
You see, you need only copy this and paste it here. After Lenager.
Lenager.
You see, Lenager, Menager. Nagar are the same. As you hear,
Lenager.
Nagar. አንተ ምን በል ስፒክ
አውራ
ጎበዝ አውራ ማለት ትችላለህ ግን ተናገር አውራ is also another verb. Yeah, you can say, but we are conjugating now መናገር the word መናገር not አውራ
ተናገር
እሺ ተናገር ለሴት ተናገሪ ር ወደ ሪ
ትቀየራለች You see, it's different, huh?
A little bit, but these are three of them are the same.
No, I cannot be very sure. So, inante,
female. Tana is consistent here.
Okay.
እነሱ ይናገሩ.
But I need to guess, you know, if I will not guess, I will not remember.
እሺ ያ ትክክል። እሺ እሱ ምን ይበል? ይናገር እሷ ትናገር። ተናገረች ከሆነ ፓስት ነው የሚሆነው። ትናገር ኮማንድ ነው ይሄ። let her speak. ኦኬ ለዛሬ ይሄ በቃል ለዛሬ for today it is enough. Yeah
በቃ
so as always you will find this lesson on the link that I shared to you before.
Okay.
Yeah. So
that's amazing.
inshallah, so Well, when you have time, we will
Yeah.
meet again.
Yeah, I know. I understand. It's not easy, but we need to take. It will take time.